สวัสดีค่ะเจนนะคะ Hi everyone, Jane here from Jenny and Teddy. So in this tutorial we are going to make a pretty little thin crop top. They are simple and beginner friendly as always, and mostly we use double crochet stitch and chain. The size is available from small, medium and large, and the structure of the crop top, we will make the two simple triangle and join them together here, and then we are going to crochet the chain that wrap around your underbust. And then we are going to add a double crochet stitch like about 3 inch, but if you want it a full length you can add more to be longer. And the trim is simple too and made from the double crochet also. So I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. If you make one, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creation. Bye. What you need to make a pretty little thin crop top is a crochet hook size, 3.5mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, pair of scissors, stitch marker, measuring tape, and the yarn that I use is a DK weight yarn. Is 100% cotton. You can use any kind of cotton DK weight yarn that will be work. So let's get started. So the pretty little thin crop top, we will start with the foundation chain of chain 5. Start with a slip knot first, and then make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then we are going to join to make the circle. Join the first chain, slip stitch to join, and now we are going to start row 1. On row 1 we will chain 2, 1 and 2. This chain 2 we will count as a 1 double crochet stitch, and then we make 2 double crochet in the circle, chain 2, and make 3 double crochet in the circle, 1 double, 2 double, and 3 double. So now we finish row 1 already. We have 3 double crochet on each side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then on row 2 of the cup, turn your work, chain 2, 1, 2, we will count as a 1 double crochet, and then on row 2 we will make 1 double crochet in each stitch until the chain 2 space from the previous row, 1 double, 1 double crochet in each stitch, and now we are at the chain 2 space from the previous row. We make 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. And then we are going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch, 1 double and 1 double, and you will see the chain to the turning chain. We will make 2 double crochet in the turning chain here, 1 double and 2 double. So now we finish row 2 already, and we will repeat row 2 until we have on this part until we have about 9.5 inch for small size. If you bigger size, you just keep making maybe 1 more inch, like size medium, maybe 10 inch or 10.5 inch, something like that. And I will go off the camera and repeat row 2, and we'll meet you when I finish. And now repeat row 2 until I have 9.5 inch for small size, and you will be repeat the same triangle for another piece here, and we will ready to crochet the body of the crop top. Now we are going to join the triangle together, each piece. Now we join them already. Then we are going to crochet the body. Join the new yarn at one end, just one end, and we will make a chain that can wrap allow your underbust size. My one is about, small size is about 42 chain. I make a 32 chain or 42 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I will go off the camera and make 42 chain, and then we will join them together here to create a body. Now I finished making the 42 chain already here, and then I am going to join the chain to the second tab of the crop top. Join them. And then we have joined them already. Now we are going to make 1 double crochet in each space or in each stitch along the edge here, and including the 42 chain that we just made too. So we will make 1 double crochet in each space or in each stitch along the body of the crop top. Just keep going, make 1 double crochet. I will keep going and we'll meet you when I am at the start here, starting chain. Don't forget to put your stitch marker in so you know where to start and finish. Okay, we will keep going, making a 1 double crochet in each chain until we are at the body, and we keep going where you can see where the stitch marker placed, and we not join the round. We will keep making 1 double crochet round after round all around here, around the body. For my one, I will just have about 3 inch. I will keep going to make 1 double crochet round after round until we have 3 inch long. You can make it longer if you don't want to be a crop top. You can make it a full length, but I will stop at a 3 inch long of the 1 double crochet in each stitch round and around, and I will meet you when I finish 3 inch. Now I just finished making double crochet in each stitch along already, and I measure my one is about 3 inch, and when you finish row after row, you don't need to join, you just keep going in spiral. And now we are going to make the last for the edging for the bottom of the top. The last row one, we just make 3 double crochet, one double, 2 double, and 3 double crochet all in the same stitch. Skip 2 stitch, 1, 2, and make 3 double crochet all in the next stitch, and we will repeating this by skip 2 stitch, 1, 2, and make 3 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double, 2 double, and 3 double. I will keep going and we meet you at the stitch marker here. Just keep repeating 3 double crochet, skip 2 stitch, and 3 double crochet in next. So on row 2 of the last, the edging, we not join round, we keep going in spiral. So on row 2, in the gap here, we make 3 double crochet in each space. We make 3 double crochet in each space, and this one, you see the space here, we make 3 double crochet in the space. For the next space, we make the same, we make 3 double crochet, and we will keep repeating this until the end of the round, which is here, and we will finish off And after this we will add the strap together. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm just finished the adding row 1 and row 2 of the simple lace, and now we are going to make the strap. So we will do on one side first. Insert your crochet hook, chain 1, and then chain away from the cap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you will turn over and make the chain that long enough to be on this side, and the second one will be the same. So I make 10 already, 11, 12, so I have 30 chain already, maybe need more, 30, and now I have 50 chain, should be alright. Then you will insert your hook here, and now we finish one strap already. We will cut the yarn tail a bit longer because maybe if the strap is too short, you can add some more by this one, and we will repeat on the other side, and it's all we done for the pretty little thing crop top. I hope you go enjoy the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you make one, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creation. Bye.